In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own second brain in Notion. We're going to walk through this process step by step, creating an intuitive and interconnected space to house all your important thoughts, goals, tasks, and ideas. Let's begin by opening Notion. First, you'll want to go to Notion, so on your web browser. Once there, simply log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to get started. Once you're logged in, you should see your workspace and other pages that you've created or shared with you. Next, it's time to create a new page for your second brain. Look over to the left sidebar and you'll see an option to add a new page. It's marked with a plus new page button. Click that and name your new page Second Brain. This will be the main hub for organizing your digital life. Now that you have a new page, let's start adding sections that will streamline different aspects of your life. In your Second Brain page, you'll want to include various headers. Simply type in /heading 2 and add the titles like Notes, Goals, Tasks, and finally Ideas. Each of these sections will help you categorize different elements of your projects and thoughts. For each section of your Second Brain, it's essential to have dedicated databases. Under each header you've just created, type /table and choose Table. Inline to set up a new database in line with your sections. For your Tasks section, make sure to include columns for task, status, and due date. In the Notes section, you'll want columns for title, topic, and date. And finally, for your Ideas section, add columns named Idea and Category. This structure will help you keep everything organized and easily accessible. The next step is to link all these elements together, creating a cohesive dashboard that integrates all the information. To do this, type /link to view and link your tasks, notes, and ideas tables so they appear together on the page. This way, your thoughts, projects, and plans are all within reach on one single dashboard. Now, enhance the functionality of your Second Brain by adding a dashboard view at the top of your page. Type /callout and write something welcoming like, "Welcome to my Second Brain." Underneath this, add links to each section using /link to page, which will bring you directly to the corresponding section when clicked. And finally, let's make your Second Brain visually appealing. Click Add Cover and Add Icon to personalize the look. Then click on the paka icon in the top right corner of the page, choose to change the font, and select either serif or mono based on your style preference. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own Second Brain in Notion, a place to seamlessly capture, organize, and connect your life's various facets in one powerful page. Enjoy staying organized and productive.